Soul City, which was my second book, was in many ways a big departure for me about a forgotten chapter of the civil rights movement, the attempt by a civil rights leader named Floyd McKissick to build a brand new city in rural North Carolina that would help to address the problem of racial economic inequality in this country. I think Soul City was launched at a unique moment in our history. We're talking about the end of the 1960s. There's still a real sense of idealism in the country, a sense that we can accomplish anything. Sadly, I think we've lost that sense of optimism and idealism that Soul City was a part of. Soul City failed for a number of reasons. Trying to build a new city on nothing but farmland in a very remote part of the country, that was always going to be a long shot. McKissick used to say that people can only really think about integration as 80% white and 20% black, but why couldn't an integrated community be 80% black and 20% white? And I think it was the inability of many white liberals who otherwise were in favor of equality, was their inability to understand that there were, a number of different ways to have an integrated community. Future lawyers need to understand deeply. It's the value of free speech, the value of dissent, the value of taking to the streets and expressing your opposition to the government that acts in your name. The ability to dissent is really at the heart of our democracy. Without the ability to challenge the government, without the ability to question those who are in charge, without the ability to disagree with our fellow citizens, we really wouldn't have a democracy. One of the things that gives me hope for the next generation of legal thinkers is the experience I have in the classroom with our students. Our students come into our school not with the sense that they know everything and understand everything, but with a real desire to learn and to try to make a difference. They give me quite a lot of optimism.